Well, the OpenAI has just dropped the mic on AI video. It is showing off the Sora AI, and it is the OpenAI's text-to-video generative AI model, which means that you write a text prompt and it creates a video that matches the description of the prompt. Sora is a diffusion model. It starts with each frame of the video consisting of static noise and uses machine learning to gradually transform the image into something resembling the description in the prompt. So here you can see some of the example that is created by Sora AI. Users have to drop down the prompt like this, and the AI will generate the video for you. One area of innovation in Sora is that it considers several video frames at once, which solves the problem of keeping objects consistent when they move in or out of the view. Well, in this video, notice that the kangaroo's hand moves out of the shot several times, and when it returns, the hand looks same as before. It combines the use of diffusion model with the transformer architecture. So if you're looking onto how to use this Sora AI, then what you want to do is, first of all, head over to any of the web browser, and in the source bar, search for Sora. Head over to the very first site, Sora OpenAI. It will land you on this interface. Once you're on this page, you need to scroll down, and this is the new AI video generator that you can use. Here, if you scroll down, you can see there is no any option to use this because currently the team is looking into this tool, and this is a new tool, and in few days it might be available to the public. But over here you can see it says Sora is becoming available to red teamers to access critical areas for harms or risk. We are also granting access to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be the most helpful for creative professionals. So right now you can see they are just sharing the research process. And this Sora AI might be available in the future, and it's gonna make a big difference to the world. So stay tuned for the upcoming changes.